Welcome back to another episode of Tipsy Chef. Today I had a sweet tooth and I wanted to be nostalgic about it, so I wanted to do banana pudding, but I want to put my own little twist in it. So I want to do banana pudding pie, mini pies, with a creme brulee topping. So I got a bag of vanilla wafers. These are cheap old wafers. I think they were 2 for $3. This is what I'm going to make the crust out of. Sarah, stop laughing at me. What you laughing about? So this is what I'm going to make the crust out of. I'm going to put this in the food processor. I'm going to grind this down. To a crust. I got 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm not going to use all of this, I don't think. We'll see the consistency after I grind it up. So we'll add that. I'll add a little bit more. Where'd that water come from? That's what we want. I got 4 ramekins here. This one be individual. And I'm not going to make my own pudding mix. You can go to the store and get the best name brand or non-name brand pudding you want. Again, this is something real quick and easy. Gonna satisfy that sweet tooth that you may have. So we put these in the ramekin like that. Preheat your oven to 350 because we're gonna bake these off for maybe 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes the most. And I got a little measuring cup. This is the best way you can flatten this out. Bada boom, bada bing. Then we're going to put the pudding on top of this. I'm going to mix the pudding and show you that. But we're going to just flatten this out. Put them in the oven, the 350-degree oven. Like I said, for 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes the most. For it to get a little hard. It doesn't matter if it's not all the same. It don't matter because this is for us. This is for me. Sierra don't eat this stuff. She don't eat butter, so I may eat all of this. See how nice that is? And we'll stick this in the oven that's already preheated. 350 degrees. 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes the most. And I'll be right back with the pudding, with the pudding. Welcome back. As I said, I have 2 packages, and you can use the packages of the best pudding that you like, name brand, non-name brand, doesn't matter. And then I have 4 cups of milk, and then I got a shot. This is cinnamon brandy whiskey. Cinnamon
Fireball.
Whiskey. Fireball. I'm going to put that in there for a little bit of extra flavor and twist and a little bit of kick. So here we go. We just put this in here. My crust is still in the oven, so we can mix this right now. So once that's ready, we're going to spoon this into the crust. I'm going to slice some bananas, sprinkle some sugar, and brulee the top. I'm going to show you all of that, but this right here, it's simple. 2 minutes, they say, to whisk this around. Alright, our crust has come out the oven. As you see, it's browned up. I let them cool on the counter. I have my pudding mix over here, and we're just gonna fill these with the pudding mix. I didn't refrigerate the pudding mix yet. We're gonna put it in the fridge after I fill these. And then I'm gonna slice some bananas and put them on top. Oh yeah. Didn't take that long. Well, I guess it took, if you wanted an instant sweet treat, it would be. Got my offset spatula, go all the way to the edge. A little bit more pudding in. This is my little. Do I speak loud enough? Can you hear me out there? That's my little twist on the banana pudding. I got my vanilla wafer crust, and then this is the vanilla pudding. And as I said, I'm gonna top it with sliced bananas and sugar, and then I'm gonna brulee the top. Brulee is gonna get this. I got a torch. Then I'm gonna caramelize the sugar on top. So, yeah, that looks good already. But nope, can't eat it yet. Gotta wait. How much longer, Papa Smurf? How much longer now? Put this in the fridge. Chill that for at least an hour. At least an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But you know I can't wait. So at least an hour. We'll be back. I'm gonna slice some bananas, put them on top, sprinkle some sugar, use my torch to brulee the top, and we be ready to go. Alright, we had a pudding chill for an hour, at least an hour. It's been an hour because I can't wait. So I'm put over here. I put over here because we're gonna torch it. We're gonna creme brulee the top, and I don't want to burn the cutting board or anything else. So I have some bananas that I slice, and you just want to shingle them on here, just like so. Speed it up, Sierra. This takes a little bit of time, but not that much.
It's pretty.
Shingle on top. Shingle them in the middle. And you want to do this at the last, as soon as you creme brulee it, so your guests come in or whatever, this is the last thing you want to do, because you know when you slice bananas beforehand, they start to turn brown. So have that. I have some sugar. I don't know the amount of sugar, but you want to sprinkle this sugar on top. And it's okay if it goes over, but that's why I have this here. Just sprinkle the sugar on top.
Make sure it's all covered.
Yep, all is covered. And I got my handy dandy torch. So we're gonna go side to side until it starts to caramelize. Make that brulee topping.
It's like mad. Ooh, bad.
Smells good too. And you don't want this to go too far, because then that sugar, that caramelization will get bitter. So color that I'm looking for right there.
Wow.
And that's it. You let this sit, I say 30 seconds to a minute, and then you get a hard crust. I've made one already, right back here. And then you take your spoon, you hear that? You crunch through the top. And then you can get some of that crust on the bottom. Let's try it. The crunchiness on top and the smoothness of the pudding in the middle and that banana flavor. So this is my banana pudding creme brulee. Now, if I had a microphone in my ear or in my mouth, you'll hear the crunchy topping. It's so delicious. And again, easy, another little twist on the regular banana pudding. I'll see you guys next time. As you know, when we sign out.